Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and let us talk about uncertainties and problems in our life. We will always be having uncertainties, we will always be having problems, and this is something that all of us know by now. Yes, we do. Now, when we know that we will always be having uncertainties and problems, and to make things even worse, we never get to choose what uncertainties would be there in our life or what problems would be there in our life. They choose us. The problems choose us, the uncertainties choose us. We have no hand in deciding what kind of problems we would be having or what kind of uncertainties we would be having. The only certain thing that we have today is that everything is uncertain. It is all on us how we take care of those uncertainties, how we handle those problems, makes us what we are today. It is only how we take care of the uncertainties and the problems in our life makes us what we are today. But there are always two types of problem. There are two types of people, I would say. One set of people is somebody who takes on the uncertainties and the problems in the life very well, and there's another set of people who do not take it well. There's nobody in between. They either do it well or they do not do it well. They either take care of the uncertainties and the problems very nicely, or the other club is that of people who are not able to take care of it nicely. Now, these are the two group of people. One makes them successful and the other set of people become failure. It is just how they have been managing uncertainties and problems in their life that has been making one set of people successful and at the same time other set of people unsuccessful. Now, if we talk about uncertainties and problems, what are the key things that is different in this successful set of people and how they are different from the unsuccessful set of people? I'll say the first thing that determines is creativity, and with that, creativity mixed with practice. Creativity mixed with the ability to practice hard. I'll tell you how. Both of them are creative. When times are tough, all of us become creative. We tend to do different things, we try different things, we see different options which work, which might not work. We do everything that we can whenever the time is tough, whenever there are uncertainties, whenever there are difficulties. We do everything that we can. But to continue doing that is what makes somebody successful and makes somebody unsuccessful. The unsuccessful guy could be more innovative, could be more creative, but he does not practice that. He does not practice creativity. The moment, the slightest comfort that he will get in, the slightest sight of having that problem sorted or having that uncertainty going away, he would relax. He would take rest. Whereas the other person, he would not take rest. He would never relax. He would keep working hard. Even though he's less creative, he might be less innovative, but one thing is sure, that he is gonna expand his innovation, his creativeness to a different level, to different limits. He's going to practice it so much that he's now no longer going to bother about whether the times are good or bad. He will continue doing that. He will continue being that. These people who are maybe less creative and less innovative, but they practice hard, they do not wait for the bad weather only when they will be taking care of the roof of the house. They take care of the roof of the house much before the bad weather approached. Whereas the other set of people is only taking care of the roof of the house when there are rains, when there is storm. So, do not prepare your roof only because the storm has come, but be prepared that the storm might come anytime. And I am ready every time. This is what makes a person successful or unsuccessful. Being fast. We have said that if you can be really fast, you can get successful. It's not always that. You know who wins? Who becomes successful? It is those who know exactly when to get fast and when to get slow. When the road is not good, when the road is rough, you cannot go fast. Going fast then would only damage your vehicle, your car. It would not help you in any ways. But yes, when the road is smooth, when the road is clean, you can go to whatever speed you can or you want to. So always going fast or always going slow is something that this side of people choose, the unsuccessful side choose, whereas knowing when to change the gear is chosen by the successful side. So speed is the other aspect of surviving the uncertain and surviving the problems in our life. Luck. Both of them have equal amount of luck, good and bad. Both the teams, Team A that is successful and Team B that is unsuccessful, both have an equal amount of luck. Few of them are good lucks, few of them are bad lucks. Now, what makes it different is how they are taking care of it, how they are responding to it. Are they just criticizing or feeling stressed or feeling burdened because of some bad luck coming to them? Or they are equally fighting with the bad luck. They are equally enthusiastic when a bad luck hits them. They are not only happy when good luck comes, they are equally enthusiastic, they equally work hard when a bad luck hits them. Whereas on the other side, the moment the slightest of the luck factor comes in and they face the smallest bad luck part, they'll start complaining that they are not lucky at all. That they do not feel lucky at all. That why has God given them so much of bad luck? They will start complaining instead of working harder, working more, doing more. They'll start complaining, and this is what makes them successful. So future is always unpredictable, and world has always been unstable. Today it has become more unstable and more unpredictable. But what do we need to do is we need to keep on it. We need to keep working on it. We need to keep getting better with it. We do not need to be somebody who only repairs the roof when it rains, but who keeps his roof repaired and keeps himself prepared all through the year. We need to be that kind of a person and not the other kind. If we talk of some 50 or 100 years back, things were not so fast. Things did not change so fast. If there were certain uncertainties or certain problems, you could not have solved them or sorted them so fast. The communication lines were not so active. Ability to reach people, ability to get the problems resolved was not so fast. But with the increase in the ability to sort the problems fast, we also now get the problems more. The frequency of problems has also increased. How the uncertainties were in the past with how the uncertainties are today are very different. With our ability to handle those uncertainties and problems having increased, the uncertainties and problems in our life also has increased, and we need to be prepared about it. We cannot just be complaining about it like most of us do. We just keep complaining about the uncertainties and the problems and keep asking God, why me? Well, yes, me. Yes, me. I will take care of all the problems and the uncertainties. If the problem has to choose me, if the uncertainty has to choose me, let them give me the biggest problem. Let me give them the biggest uncertainty, and I am ready for it. I am ready to take on the biggest challenge that they throw at me. And when they see me coming out of the biggest problem that they threw at me, and I come out well from that problem or that uncertainty, I end up being the most successful person. If you want to be one, you need to take care of these things, and you will find yourself in a better place than you are today. Have a good day.